it's Vanna from Cheap Nails, and it's the first time my face hasn't been in a while, but I'm trying out something just a little new, and I'm using my new camera in this video. And if anybody uses first time using a new camera, you know how annoying it could be to try to figure it out. But today I have this awesome design that's kind of patriot/4th-of-July/summer design, like a bomb pop. So let's get right into it. Okay, I started by painting all my nails white, and now I'm just gonna take this red nail polish and I'm just gonna freehand just a red stripe going across my nail, just in the middle of my nail, this red nail polish. And I went ahead and did this on all my nails, and I did 2 coats of red nail polish. And now I'm gonna go in with the blue nail polish, and I'm gonna do 2 coats of the blue polish. Then after that is dry, I'm gonna do a quick top coat, a quick dry top coat, and then I'm gonna take start in with this beautiful, wonderful glitter. I picked out some of the bigger stars in the pack of glitter, and now I'm just putting them vertical down my nail, and I'm just placing them on the wet top coat. Okay, now that is done, and I'm taking some of the glitter, the looser, smaller glitter in the package, and I'm just placing it on the wet top coat on the bottom of my nail only. And there we go. After I applied the glitter, I also put another top coat on, but I forgot to film it because it was kind of scatterbrained because I was trying to figure out this new camera. But yes, this is the lovely design, and I love it. I love the stripes, and I think it's great for summer, and it's like a bomb pop, I guess, like those popsicles or whatever. But anyways, guys, tell me what you think down below, and tell me what you think of the video. It's kind of different than what I'm used to doing because I usually see my face in my nail videos, but I decided just to switch it up. And yeah, guys, tell me what you think down below about this design. I'll see you next time. Goodbye, guys. Bye.